Stop! Did you know your phone copies you, but parrots do it with personality? Meet the bird that steals your words and your snacks. Fact 1. Parrots are master mimics. They can copy words, doorbells, even your laugh. And sometimes they use words on purpose to get a snack. Basically, tiny feathered negotiators. Fact 2. They're brainy. Some parrots solve puzzles, open boxes, and figure out tricks. Smarter than some people online, honestly. Fact 3. Parrots can live a long time. Some buddies stick around as long as your grandparents do. Decades. So, owning one is kind of like adopting a roommate for life. Fact 4. Their feet are wild. 2 toes forward, 2 back. They hold food like tiny, clumsy hands and use their beak like a third foot. Graceful? Nope. Effective? 100%. Fact 5. Bright feathers aren't just for show. Colors help them hide in trees or impress a mate. Also, they look fabulous doing it. Vogue, but make it jungle. Quick bonus. Some parrots are real pranksters. The key, from New Zealand, loves mischief. If birds pulled pranks, parrots wrote the handbook. Which parrot word would you teach yours? Comment the funniest word, hit like, and follow for more wild animal facts.